Hey everyone, it's good to have you on this channel today. I'm excited to dig into a topic crucial for any field that relies on data: how to manage it effectively. Think of your research data as a digital garden. Each experiment, each observation, each data set, these are your seeds. But just like any garden, without proper care and attention, things can get overgrown and chaotic quickly. Managing your research data effectively ensures it remains accessible, understandable, and valuable for years to come. Today, we're going to explore some strategies to help your data flourish. First things first, organization. Just as a gardener wouldn't scatter seeds randomly, we need to treat our data folders with respect. Imagine you're designing a garden. You wouldn't plant roses next to sunflowers, right? You'd create separate beds, each with its purpose. A clear hierarchical structure with descriptive folder names, dates, and versioning saves you time and prevents data loss. Invest in a system that makes data retrieval effortless. It's like having a well-labeled map to navigate your digital garden. Now imagine strolling through a botanical garden. Every plant is meticulously labeled with its scientific name, origin, and even some interesting facts. That's the power of metadata data about data. Use descriptive and consistent metadata to quickly identify files without having to open each one. A robust naming convention reduces confusion, especially when collaborating with others. Clear labels are essential for both understanding and preserving the integrity of your research. Even the most meticulously maintained garden can fall victim to an unexpected frost or a rogue lawnmower. In the digital realm, data loss from crashes, failures, or even malicious attacks is a real threat. That's why regular backups are non-negotiable. Think of the backups as taking cuttings from your prize-winning roses. Cloud storage solutions provide off-site protection and automated backups. Ensure your backups are encrypted and secured with strong, unique passwords. A healthy garden requires regular pruning to remove dead leaves and make room for new growth. The same principle applies to your data. Regularly review your datasets for relevance, accuracy, and completeness. Documentation is like keeping a detailed gardening journal. Every step, from data collection methods to processing techniques, needs to be carefully recorded. A well-documented dataset provides clarity, supports accountability, and ensures transparency. What's the point of cultivating a beautiful garden if you can't share its bounty with others? Sharing data in reputable repositories encourages innovation and collaboration. Before sharing, protect your intellectual property. Choose appropriate licensing agreements that clearly outline how your data can be used and acknowledged. Responsible sharing ensures that everyone benefits. Managing research data effectively is an ongoing process, much like tending to a garden. It requires attention, care, and a bit of planning. A well-managed digital garden has the potential to fuel groundbreaking discoveries. What strategies have you cultivated in your own research data management? Share your insights in the comments below. By sharing our experiences and best practices, we can help each other grow a more robust and fruitful data landscape for everyone.